Hi, English budgies. What you doing all down there? What you doing? There's all four of them. They're all finally fully weaned. The two youngest ones hung on for a long time. They wanted their baby food, which is fine. That's fine. Hey, we don't rush you guys. Now they're ready to go. One of them's already spoken for. There's 3 available. They're about 9 weeks old now. I find the English budgies don't wean as early as regular budgies. Oh, hello there. Hi. What did you find? They love running around on the table with the toys. They're really quite comical. Hey. Hi. Hey. Come and say hello. They're all blue and they're all boys. Yeah. Yes. What you guys doing? There you are. There you are. Oops. One went down there. Yes, we're gonna just get him. Come here, sweetie. Oh, they're just flying all over the place. You don't want to run around and play on the table, you know? Here, look, what's that? You guys are penguins. There you go. There you go, there's 3, where's 4? Oh, they just love flying all over the place. There's number 4. Good boy. What a good boy, eh? Well, you guys, you're not going to do anything for the camera. There we go. There you go. Hey guys, come and find the toys.